Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of budget PC building. Welcome to our guide on the best low-end budget PCs for 2023. We're going to break down 5 different builds, each tailored to a specific use case and budget. Whether you're a gamer, a student, or just need a solid machine for everyday tasks, we've got you covered. So grab your screwdrivers and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a build near and dear to my heart. The entry-level gaming PC. We're talking smooth 1080p gaming on a budget that won't make you want to sell your graphics card on eBay after a week. At the heart of this beast, we've got the Ryzen 3 3200G, offering 4 cores and integrated graphics that can handle light gaming. Pairing this CPU with the GTX 1650, a solid card for most modern games at 1080p, we're throwing in 8 GB of RAM to keep your games running smoothly. For storage, a speedy SSD for the OS and a spacious hard drive for games and files. This entire build can be yours for around $400. That's less than the cost of some flagship smartphones. And the best part? You can always upgrade this system down the line. Swap out the GPU, add more RAM, the possibilities are endless. Next up, we're switching gears from gaming to productivity with our budget workstation build. For this build, we're going with the Intel i3-10100, a quad-core processor that delivers solid performance for everyday tasks. We're equipping this build with 16 GB of RAM for multitasking, opting for a fast and reliable SSD to ensure quick boot times and file loading. This entire build comes in at around $300. That's less than the cost of some high-end office chairs. Trust me, your back will thank you for investing in a proper computer instead. Now, who doesn't love a good movie night? That's where our home theater PC build comes in. For this build, we're going with the AMD Athlon 3000G, a dual-core processor with integrated graphics that can handle 4K video playback. We're keeping things lean with 4 GB of RAM, which is plenty for streaming and media playback. A small form factor case that can easily tuck away next to your TV. You can easily add an external hard drive or connect to your home network for all your storage needs. This entire build can be yours for around $250. That's less than the cost of a monthly cable subscription. Alright, aspiring streamers, this one's for you. Our budget streaming PC build is all about getting you up and running on Twitch, YouTube, or whatever platform you prefer without breaking the bank. At the heart of this build is the Ryzen 5 3400G, a quad-core CPU perfect for gaming and encoding. Pairing this CPU with the GTX 1050 Ti, a solid card for 1080p gaming and smooth streaming. We're going all out with 16 GB of RAM to keep your games and streaming software running smoothly. Opting for a combination of a speedy SSD for your OS and streaming software, and a spacious hard drive for games and recordings. This entire build can be yours for around $550. That's less than the cost of some high-end microphones. Your viewers will thank you for the improved stream quality. Last but not least, we have our basic office PC build. For this build, we're keeping things simple with the Intel Pentium Gold G6400, a dual-core processor capable of handling everyday tasks. Pairing this CPU with 8 GB of RAM, which is plenty for office applications and web browsing. Going with a speedy SSD for storage to keep things snappy. This entire build comes in at around $200. That's less than the cost of some fancy office coffee machines. You'll be much more productive with a reliable PC than you will be with a caffeine addiction. And there you have it, folks. 5 awesome budget PC builds, each tailored to different needs and budgets. Building a PC doesn't have to be scary or expensive. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect budget PC for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. Let us know in the comments which build you're most interested in.